So we're going on a canoe trip. We're doing a 3-day on the Colorado River. My dad's here. My 2 brothers are coming out. So this is the canoe that I usually use, and I went ahead and went and got this one so my 2 brothers could join us. Bought this on offer up for 60 bucks. It needs a few things. First of all, it's missing a back seat. That's pretty important. And then we're gonna add a yoke onto the middle that's missing. Right there, you can see the screws. And I figure while we're at it, we'll put a new front seat on there too. And then on the back side, there's some damage. So I'll probably just try to fill this in with epoxy and hopefully we don't sink. You ever got a boot stuck down in your engine? You can pull it out with a coat hanger. Pretty good bones for 60 bucks. It's just a poly canoe. What more can you ask for? So I've got this flooring that was left at the house when we moved in. I think that's what we're going to use for all the material, the wood material. And then we'll put some webbing over the seats and call it a day. So let's get cutting. First thing we're going to do is cut this tongue and groove off. So for the rear seat, there's 4 screws that hold everything together. I think we're gonna try to use those 4 screws and just drop this down and then come off that for the seat.
Next, hold that board up there and see if we have to cut a curvature in it or if it'll just go straight flat up against it.
Well, the holes are 9 inches center to center. So if we make it 12, how wide is the front seat though? 11 inches. So 11 or 12?
Let's cut this 12 and cut the angle on it, and then we can always cut it shorter if we need.
I don't know. 2 inches, because to here.
I can't see from that angle.
Is 2 1/4.
Okay.
Front to back.
So if we cut a 2 1/4 angle out of it, then that'll set up against there.
Yeah.
And then it'll be level at the bottom.
Yeah. I guess just cut it and see what it looks like.
Yeah.
I have a pencil somewhere. I'm sure.
Is that good?
Yeah, it's not right on. But I think that's okay.
Oh,
We'll
because
just
it's both.
split the difference. I think all 4 holes hit it just fine. All right, now we got these 2 pieces cut. Figured out that they're going to be level once the boat's in the water. I'm going to drill some pilot holes so I can get these screws in, hold it in there temporarily while we build the rest of the seat.
Nice floor jack you got there.
Turbo frame.
Yeah, I know. There's a few things that they get right. They're getting. People say their tools are getting better and better for some reason. You know what I say? I say all the other tools are just getting crappier and crappier.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I called them, or I emailed them and asked them if they'd sponsor my YouTube channel.
Really?
And they said they don't sponsor channels. So I said, I'm going to still use your tools anyways. I'm promoting them. So go buy a Harbor Freight drill. It works great.
The batteries seem to hold up as equal as...
So far, this is only the small one.
Yeah.
So they make a bigger one.
Right.
So the plan is to get a bigger battery and a hacksaw or sawzall to match.
You just kind of follow the inside of
Yeah.
that. Okay, how'd that happen?
I don't know. I made it way too short.
Well, we can use this one for the front one up here.
Can we? Nope.
Nope.
Guess we should have started our longest, worked our way shortest.
Perfect.
So for the yoke, we're going to use some brackets so that we don't have the screws coming in from the outside just into this. I think it'll be stronger with this bracket. We got this bracket bolted on, and then we'll bolt this board to the bracket. That should hold it.
Oops.
Yeah, well, we can cut this off.
Half an inch off of it.
Yeah. Cut a half an inch off of it. Should we just dog ear those? Cut 45s so it misses those screws?
Wouldn't hurt, I guess.
Oh yeah.
That's perfect.
Didn't we do this once and we screwed it up?
Yeah, but look, it goes like back. Well, you can figure the 3/4 of an inch back a little bit more. Go a little bit long because I want to cut it long.
I'm trying to decide if I want to measure this or just do it by eyeball.
I think you just kind of eyeball that bracket. It's not rocket science. Well, wait. Are you gonna put? How many you gonna put in?
3.
Oh, okay.
1 here, 2 there.
Yeah, I think that's perfect.
I think I'd have been happier if I measured it.
Yeah.
Nah. To the redneck channel.
Yep. Do we need? Are these on? These are on for good. This isn't mocking up like the seats, right? This is permanent. We don't need to take that off again for anything, do we?
I thought I'd paint the brackets
Oh, okay. Oh, so okay.
because they're gonna rust like tomorrow.
All right. And should we mark left and right on here so that the holes match up?
Well, if they don't match up on one side, then we'll flip it over and
Okay.
I don't know.
Do you have a
What color?
whatever color you got that's handy?
I got
I wouldn't paint it.
all colors.
I don't know. Whatever.
Tan to match the inside of the boat. Okay, so this is good to go after the paint dries.
Yep.
We got all these cut.
I don't think I finished this one. It's still a little long, I think.
Now we got to figure out how to drill those and tap them and screw them correctly.
Do you have a finish nailer? You could just finish nail those in, and we could take it down as a piece, and you could screw them in.
Yeah, I do. Harbor Freight, I got that at.
I like Harbor Freight stuff. I don't have one tool from Harbor Freight. I got Ryobi crap tools. You know,
They come from the same factory in China, I bet.
Probably. But you know, I don't use it 8 hours a day every day. you
Right,
know?
yeah.
A couple hours a week maybe.
Yeah.
Comes out of this side.
The air compressor's not on.
Minor detail.
They ricocheted off and went in the boat.
Well, we know that these go at the back. That the front ones go to the front,
Yeah.
and we could just mock up the other ones. So
I'm down with that. So, how small a hole shall we drill? And so it shall be.
hard wood, isn't it?
It is. Well,
Deep subject.
you don't want to dry fit it? See how we did? Yeah, I think that's gonna go in there just fine.
Works for me.
Yeah. Couple pieces going this way.
Yep.
I don't have enough screws in it to do a test. So now what?
Now we need to decide the distance between here and then center it.
I said we make that one as wide as we can on the back and match it.
Something on that.
So the thing with this is, this isn't square. It's in. So we're gonna have to
Get one screw in each one or something.
figure it out.
Not
I like
fit.
gluing it.
Okay.
What if we just put some caulk on it and clamped it?
I don't know. And then put a.
You think that'd hold it good enough to take it out? Caulk?
Put a board across here and a board down here.
Just with one clamp?
Yeah, just clamp.
One clamp will rule them all?
Yeah. Just let it set and then do the other one and then we'll put them up at the same time.
You must have had the fine wheel and I had the torque wheel.
Oh, I left it running. Hold it and I'll clamp it.
Yeah. Did clamp it. Problem is, it's going to be glued to the boat now.
I doubt it. Do you think you put that much on it?
I don't know, find out. Okay, let's caulk dry.
Okay.
We've got the seats pretty much built. Dad worked on them while I was at work today. We decided to put screws in those and have everything flush instead of stacking these on top of this cross brace here. Hopefully that works out. That's the back one and this is the front one. Put a light coat of lacquer on them and then we'll put the webbing on maybe tonight. And next thing I'm going to do is flip this boat over and try to patch that hole in the bottom with some epoxy. So we decided 1 inch, inch and a half, inch
No.
and a half, yeah,
Oh, yeah, okay.
inch at 4, inch and a half, inch and a half, inch at 7. Here I'm using a soldering iron to poke holes so that the holes don't fray.
I think you could use the 3/4.
Can we?
Yeah, because this board's 3/4 and you're holding it up the width of the.
I don't know. I think they'll go through.
Oh, because of the
Cut
drill.
the drill off.
Oh, okay, yeah, okay then. Let's work that.
Maybe that drill's not charged up.
How tight do you want to make that, you think?
Fairly tight.
Yeah, I think so too.
Where's the hole at?
Right there.
Nailed it. Yeah. Is that gonna be comfy enough?
I don't know. This is not my forte. We can tighten these up. I mean, we can pull these with the pliers or something. Make it really tight. Because that is kind of blingy. But, you know, once you get this other weaved, you know, I don't know, it's still going to give, but.
I think you want it to give a little bit,
Yeah.
but you don't want to just be riding on this the whole trip.
Right. But, all right. Might have to throw a piece of cardboard under his butt or something.
Yeah, let's pull them with the thingy a little bit tighter.
Do you have a pair of pliers or something?
I'm sure I do.
60 or something? Thanks.
Yeah, I think that's a lot better.
Yeah. Look like we planned it that way.
Yeah, looks good. We gotta do the other direction.
12.
Yeah, just call it 12. So 6.
I'm gonna see where inches and halves.
Half and an inch. Inch and a half. I think that's fine.
I don't think it come out much better than that, eh?
Can you see those?
Yeah, I think that leaves a perfect amount of space. Wait, you don't want to weave that?
Yes.
So the question is, do you want to, how do you weave it? Opposite or?
Yeah.
Until the next one goes, yeah. Yeah, I think that would be nice. When we get all done, we'll have it all figured out.
Yeah, that's why we're making YouTube videos, so everyone else can know how we screw up.
I don't have to make our mistakes.
Yeah.
Yeah, 100 people are saying, that dude would just put a screw in that tip before. What is it, got 60 or something?
Live and learn.
What happens when you do crap you don't always do? You learn how to do it. Well, yeehaw!
That's pretty right there.
Dang, it's even. That's pretty taut. I think that'll be nice and comfy.
Yeah, that's perfect. We went on a canoe trip. Everything worked great. That's how they turned out. No issues. They held up good. They were comfortable. So if you need to put some canoe seats in your canoe, you can do it yourself. No biggie. Thanks for watching. If you like watching videos of mine, click that subscribe button because I want to keep making them for you. We'll see you on the next one.